To fix the Koho app when it's not working, several steps can be taken. A stable internet connection is required for the app to function. So the first step is to check the internet connection. Try switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa to see if this resolves the issue. Next, visit the App Store, search for Koho, and ensure the app is updated to the latest version. If an update is available, install it and then try opening the app again. If the app still doesn't work, go to the settings, select General iPhone Storage, find the Koho app, and offload it. Then, reinstall the app, as this often solves the problem. As a last resort, if the issue persists, delete the app entirely from the phone. Go to the App Store, and download the Koho app again. These steps should resolve the issue and get the Koho app working properly.